Hi guys, as you can notice my car without hubcaps. Here is our hubcap. This is from 60s. In 60s they made out from stainless steel, but later in 70s they made out them from steel but covered with with thin layer of shining metal. And previous owner, I don't know for somehow reasons, decided to coat them with black paint. And today we're going to remove this paint and we want to see how they look without this paint. Maybe not so bad, but this is still. So let's washing them. Put on your gloves. We will walking with gloves, and we're going to washing our caps, but this is we just put into its place. But now, like experiments, we decided to remove this paint, and maybe this is not so bad as we can. So how you make them? This is very dirty, you see. We can washing them later. But first we washing them and removing the paint from this hubcap. So let's washing them. You see, they very dirty. And here is, you see, dust, a lot of dust on the road, on them. Patrick, what are you doing? They cleaning up. So if they clean enough, we can start to removing the paint with, how are we going to removing paint? With hot gun, I think. So we're going to remove the paint with hot gun. So this is clean enough. We'll go to the next one. This is will be ready. So we need to clean our third hubcap. So you see a lot of dust. And now we need, Patrick, where our hot gun. Please find our hot gun, and we're going to start removing the paint from these hubcaps. Here you see steel. Here is hot gun. Yes, we need put on the table. So we open it. Where is our here is my scenario. We not need. And okay, let's look how to use our hot gun. We need to using electricity, so we don't want to take away our water from electricity. We going to removing the paint, not just drying, but we going to hot them enough. Will be hot enough and remove the paint. Here is my stick, so let's hitting here. Speed. Oh yes, we need to switch on. Patrick, hold in hand. Okay, and yes. Here you see how it dries so fast, but here at one point, hitting at one point, and I'm going to remove the paint. I'll remove this scrap. You can shift to speed number 2. Okay. Here is speed number 2. But what speed number 3? Yeah. Will be better speed number 3. Yes, exactly. What more better will be. So you see how easily paint removes from our hubcaps. Let's show our viewers. And you continue hitting, Patrick. Yeah, you see speed number 3. Not hit. I don't want to be burned by hot gun, so you can see will be hot enough. This is a really long time, boring process, but we want to remove this old paint until the paint starts being softly, and then we can remove it. It's a maximum.
Yes.
Put on and try again. Do you want to continue? Patrick.
Okay.
And hit a little bit. Right here. Okay. And we need to hit right here. So good. Okay, let's start it.